LF672 drone operation tutorial. Removing the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light is on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connecting the remote control. Connect to power supply. Indicator light is always on when charging. Pre-flight preparation. Unfolding the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold the power on the drone. Install the memory card. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. Wait for the mapping screen to connect. Calibrate the gyroscope. Push up the left stick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. Short press to unlock the drone. Short press again to take off. Up. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Speed switching. 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for medium speed. 3 beeps for high speed gears. Motorized camera adjustment. Toggle the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Short press to open obstacle avoidance mode. Long press to turn on headless mode. The drone will move backward in the direction of the remote control. Long press to exit headless mode. 1 button to land. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save recording. Long press the record button to view the saved video. Short press to play video. Long press to go back to the image transfer screen. Replacement of air blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws to remove the air blades. Pay attention to the app marking. Install the corresponding fan blade. Connecting the app. You need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the corresponding app according to the cell phone system. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying.